Farm fans, it's Nancy Wethington with you, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to cover the circle or the oval that's cut out of this frame, how to cover this. We're actually going to be working from the inside of the frame. So if you take, and I know yours is not the same size, this is just for demo, and I know we don't have this color, it's just all for demo. But if you take the front cover and work from the inside of the cover out. No, it's weird, but I'll show you why. So here's the inside cover, and you have an oval. So what I did was take my bone folder, so I knew where that oval was. Yep. And worked around the outside of the, worked around the inside of the oval, so I knew where the oval was. That was step one. Okay, now that I had that done, I took a ruler and a pencil, and I marked from top to bottom, side to side, and in between as much as I could without getting too crazy. And then I took my scissors and cut on those pencil lines. Okay, so this is the inside. So now we're going to turn it around, and now you have these little spiky things that you cut, and you're going to run those to the outside of the cover. Just press firmly to the outside of the cover. Now the reason why we're doing this on the outside, because it looks pretty messy at this point, is because we have a frame that's going to cover all of this with our decorative paper. So you want to spread those out. Okay, use a bone folder, spread them out. And then because some of these obviously are going over the edge, just trim them down. You just need a little bit showing. If you want to trim all these little corners down, you can. But not too much. Not too much. Okay. Now, you're going to glue these down. Each one of them. It's going to take a little bit, but it'll be worth it. Yeah. Some of them are little stinkers and they don't want to glue down. But I'm using Designer Dries Clear Art Glitter Glue. Love this stuff. Better than any glue I've ever used before. Or since. I even tried a new glue since this one, and I didn't like it as much. Okay, so let's pretend that I've got all these glued down, because I don't want to waste your time. And like I said, this is the outside of the cover. So let me run. I'm going to be right back. Let me run for a second and get my sample. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Thanks for your patience with this. But I'm going to show you this. So here's your frame, and here's the outside cover. We're going to cut paper that closely matches this, but again, don't worry about if it's not exact because it's going to be covered. That's the nice thing. So look at this. This frame is a little bigger. Oh, yeah, we did all kinds of... Here we go. That's the right one. Okay, so you see how all those are going to be covered? And this is going to get your pretty decorative paper on top of this. And then your frame is going to go on top of that. So the messy part isn't even going to show. And when you turn it around to the front, or this is the front, sorry. When you turn it around to the back, this will be painted. Your frame will be painted. before you attach it. And then you have this nice piece that's so pretty. And if you want to, you don't even have to cut the oval out of the paper. What I did with mine, again, I put my frame on my paper, measured it out, and cut a square, because you're not going to see underneath here. It's going to be covered. So just mark your little paper, cut around it, put this down, make sure your frame covers the cutting portion. You're not going to see it on the back. You're going to see that pretty frame. And it is so easy to do. So, hope that helped you. Don't freak out. Super easy. And you'll get it done in a matter of minutes. Thank you. Bye.